Hey guys, what's up? And today I am going to be playing Subway Surfers. I have not played in a while, so I am just gonna say my age is 65 plus. I'm not actually putting my age. Cavalier data. Subway Surfers keep track of progress and users profile and inventory factors and help you profile across platforms and devices. You may choose to store your profile online without links. I do improve experience. Okay. No, do not track me. So yeah, this is my first game in a while. And, hey, I did up. I did up. And then down. I did it too early. Down. Down. Yay. Side. Side, side. And then side. Woo. Double tap for hoverboard. Woo. Yeah. I'm getting coins. Ooh, the letter P. Score for 500 points on the run. Mission run. Polar. Okay. Jump. Jump. Across. Across. Jump. Side. And side. Whee. Jump. 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 Whoop. Got the O in polar. Up, side, down, then side. Jump, side, jump, side, side, side. Up, jump, L. L in polar. So let's keep running. Woo! Close one. Jump. Side. Jump. Ooh. Jump. Jump. Just gonna keep it safe and go inside. Jump. Down. A. Side. Ooh. Side, side, down. Side. Jump. Side. Up. Jump. Jump up, and then jump up again. I'm gonna jump up. Jump up. Side, side. Jump. Side, jump. Then I'm gonna go into this one. No! Hey, I got a new high score. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Claim reward. New season hunt Iceland. Welcome new season hunt. Got it. Okay, so I'm gonna play with these 2 keys. Okay, I do not need 4. Okay, let's go to more. Check it out. Let's check this out. Ooh, I got 2 free things. 1 score booster. Nice. Got it. And then a token box. Let's open it and see what's in it. Ooh, 4 times 4 Jake spray can. What? You know what? Sure, why not? Well, we grab it. Reward, hurry up. Done. Yay. You got double prize. Okay. I think now we can start again. We should start again. Just figure out the way to get out of here.
Coconut nut is a big nut, but it's delicious.
Nope. No, go back to Subway Surfers. And skip to when I actually find how I get to the thing. Okay, so now I finally found out how to get to it. So yeah, I'm gonna play again. Woo, let's go. Side, side, up, and jump. Side, jump. Okay, so move to the side, jump, for fun, down, side, down.
of the
Move to the side. Move to the side. Move to the
from the
side.
Coco Palm
Move to the
family.
side. Move to the side. Okay. Basically, what you're trying to do is get as many coins as possible.
The coconut bark for the kitchen floor.
Play one more
If some of
Nice.
it, you can build
Yay,
a door
complete 2
now. The
missions.
coconut trunk
Sorry.
do not throw
Stop.
it down.
Ah,
If
no.
you save some of it, you'll have a second floor. The coconut
No, thank
wood
you. I'm not
is
gonna watch
very
this
good.
ad.
It can stand 20 years
Nice,
if you
nice,
play it wood.
nice.
Now the coconut root
Ah.
will tell you the truth.
To
You can
open.
throw it or use it
Yay.
as firewood.
Another
The
round.
coconut
Go.
leaves good shade it gives
Okay.
for the roof or the walls
go.
up against
Side.
the eaves. Now
Side.
the coconut fruit say my
Jump.
relatives
Side.
make good
Side,
cannonballs up against the
Side.
tree. It's the cocoa fruit
Jump. Nope, we don't need jump. Jump.
of the cocoa tree
Jump to the next card.
from the
Jump.
cocoa palm
Ooh,
family.
booster pack.
The coconut nut is
Ah,
a
the game's
giant.
glitching.
Eat
Yeah.
too much, you get very hot. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but it's delicious nut.
Down. Side. Oop. Don't have any more jump boosts. Up. Side. Up. Side, side. Jump to the next game. Side.
It's the cocoa
Get the coins. Get the coins. Get the
of the
coins.
cocoa
Get the coins. Get the coins.
from the cocoa palm family.
Magnet. Now it collects the coins automatically. Nice.
Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm.
Jump. Slide. Jump. Whee.
Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm.
Jump. Okay. Might as well use the jump. Boost.
Tell me the duck story.
Okay, side, down.
Get
get the magnet. Yeah, got the magnet.
Hey,
Slide down. Slide,
Got any
slide,
grapes?
slide. Okay.
The man
Then
said
move
no,
to
we
side,
just sell lemonade,
jump up,
but it's cold and
slide,
it's fresh and it's all
slide.
homemade. Can I get you a glass?
Move
The
to
duck
the
said,
right,
"I'll
move to
pass."
the left, right,
Then he
left.
waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Get the magnet.
till the
What?
very next
No!
day.
I crashed into that rock.
When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man, run in the stand.
Okay,
Hey,
jump upside down.
got
Ah,
any
side,
grapes?
right, left,
The man
jump.
said no, like I
Back.
said
Ah.
yesterday. We just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?
Ooh,
The duck
jetpacks.
said, goodbye.
Whee.
Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Let's go.
Then he waddled
Ah,
away,
getting so many
waddle, waddle.
coins.
Then he waddled away,
Ah.
waddle, waddle, till the very next day.
Ah.
Bum, 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 bum,
Yeah, jump.
bum, bum.
Ah,
When the duck
no,
walked
no,
up to
I
the
forgot I had to
lemonade
jump on
stand,
that
and he
part.
said to the man, run in the stand. Hey,
Hey, at least the police officer gets his,
the man
runs
said,
more.
look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all
This
we've
is
ever
a
sold.
little on the heavier
Why
side.
not give it a go?
Okay, let's see
The
what
duck
this
said,
does.
how about no?
Nope.
Then
Nope.
he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Missions.
Then he waddled away,
Higher
waddle, waddle,
multiplier
waddle. Then
equals
he waddled away,
multiple
waddle, waddle.
equals higher score.
Till the
Missions
very
and
next day.
multipliers.
Bum, 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 bum.
Ooh.
When the duck
Achievements.
walked
Collect
up to
award.
the lemonade stand,
What
and
do
he
I
said
get?
to the man, run in the
Ooh,
stand.
bronze
Hey,
award.
bum,
Nice.
bum, bum. Got any
No,
grapes?
no thank you. No thank you. No thank you.
The man
Okay,
said,
let's see
that's
what's on
it. If you
the
don't stay away, Duck, I'll
boards.
glue you to a tree and
Did I
leave you
get
there
a
all
new
day
board?
stuck. So don't get too close. The duck said,
Oh, I can
adios.
just change the board.
Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
I think I'm
Then he
gonna
waddled
do
away,
a
waddle, waddle,
hoverboard.
waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
No, that one
Till
costs
the very
money.
next
They
day,
all cost money.
bum, 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 ba-dum. When the
Okay.
duck walked up to the lemonade
Let's play
stand,
again.
he said
Go!
to the man,
Let's
run in the
go.
stand. Hey,
So let's move to
bum,
the right this way.
got any glue? What?
Left.
Got any
Jump.
glue? No, why
Jump.
would I? Oh, then one
Get
more
that
question
booster
for you.
pack. Woo! It's a
Got
fun
any
time.
grapes?
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful way. Yeah.
And the man just stopped.
Okay, let's
Then he
jump
started to
down.
smile. He started
Side.
to laugh. He laughed for a while.
Jump
He
up.
said, "Come on, Doc. Let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some
Okay,
grapes,
side.
so you won't have to
Be
ask
careful of the
anymore."
train. Yee.
So they
move
walked to the
the
store,
left.
and the man bought some grapes. He gave
Move
one
to
to the
right.
duck, and the duck
Jump.
said,
Oop, jump.
no thanks.
Side.
But you know what sounds good?
Okay.
It
Let's
would
move
make my
over
day.
from that train to this train.
Do you think this store?
Left, right,
Do you think
Jump.
this store?
left, right.
Do you think this
Jump.
store has any
Let's move
lemonade?
forward, side, side, jump, right. No! 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 I was doing so well also.
A duck walked up to the store, and he said to the woman,
I'm gonna do one more.
bum, bum, bum. Got
Gonna
any
try one more
grapes?
time. Ooh, nice.
The woman said,
Okay,
no, it's a
let's
corner
play one more
store.
time.
I mean, grapes aren't really what we're known for.
Side.
We've got some grape cakes. The duck said, they kind of stink.
Okay, so
Then
slide
waddle
down,
away, waddle, waddle,
side.
till the very next day. Bum, 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 bum,
Okay.
bum. When the duck walked
Get
up
the
to the corner
coins.
store, and he said to
Slide,
the
slide.
woman, run in the store.
Basically, how you play this game is you slide your fingers in the direction or something else in the direction that you want to move in. So if you want to jump, then you move your finger up on the screen. And then if you want to move down, then you basically drag your finger on the screen. And then if you want to move right or left, you just move right or left with your finger. So yeah, it's pretty simple. How do you play this game? It's just sometimes it doesn't work. Like in the beginning, for some reason it wouldn't work for me. So that's why I was like, no, why is it not working? Because I guess I did something wrong, or the game wasn't used to my finger being on my screen. So yeah. Ooh, jump. Oh, I got my head on the thing. I thought I was able to go up there. I guess my forehead got smacked in the process. So yeah, I think this game is honestly pretty nice. And the name of this game is Subway Surfers. So I will give you guys another video of this game, and so on from that. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Yes, dear.